بذكر الله ترتاح القلوب وتنزاح المتاعب والكروب.
Are you proud being British? Are you proud being French? Are you proud being American? Are you proud being Pakistani? Are you proud being Bengali? Are you proud being Saudi Arabian? Are you proud being Indonesian? Are you proud being Indian? Or are you proud to be a Muslim? Proud to be a servant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Proud to be a part of Deen al-Islam? Divide and rule is the devil's tool. India was divided and they still fight today. Kashmir is struggling. Today in Bangladesh, they are fighting over that divide between Pakistan. Unrest in Iraq and Kurdistan. Our Muslims are dying in Syria. Egypt is crying. Our Burmese brothers and sisters can't go to their fellow Muslim country because they're not wanted. Our Afghani brothers and sisters are tired of war. Palestine is in turmoil. This is what man-made borders does. So should we be proud? When we parade around in our cars for your so-called homeland's independence in the streets of Britain, are you proud? Let's fear Allah. Fear Allah. Fear Allah. Nationalism is a disease. Recognize that. When we die, we ain't gonna be dying with no flag around us. It's just gonna be that simple white cloth. What did the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam say in his final sermon? No Arab is better than a non-Arab. No non-Arab is better than an Arab. No white is better than a black, and no black is better than a white. Racism is haram. I love every Muslim. I don't care where you're from. I don't greet you with a hello, hi, what's up, Aki? We have that beautiful greeting from heaven. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May peace and mercy and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on you, my brother and sister. What a beautiful greeting and a beautiful dua. Allahu Akbar. We are one ummah. Islam is our culture, nationality and race. Being Muslim should be our badge or flag of honor. One love, one unity, one ummah.